You taught me with much care. Now we are married. Love so pure, you gave me love, my heart rise. I can see your love in your eyes. I can see everything you do for me. Oh, my baby, we made our promise before God, a family and friends. Now we always be yours. Mujiza, Mubibi, why you call me? I will be there for you. Mujiza, Mubibi, why you call me? You as a gift to me, urukundo nasenge ibihe byose, umefanya moyo wangu kuamini tena katika upendo wa kweli na safi. With you my life is more perfect, baby. It's more perfect, baby. Wiwe bigoye no mubyoroshe. Na na na, Mubibi, why you call me? Much care. Now we are married, love so pure. Are we